Boys, I have a chocolate. What chocolate is it?
Marvelous Creations.
It's not.
That's
Josh, right? It is not.
Caramel koala.
No. Taylor's bought me.
Crunchy.
Kit
No,
Kat.
crunchy is nice. It is something you wouldn't.
Snickies.
Bounty.
Boost.
Nah, come on, boys. It's not.
Curly Whirly.
It's a very nice. Oh,
Hey,
fuck.
Curly
Taylor's
Whirly's
shout.
nice.
Chomp.
Nah, Chomp's better, but no. Boys, it's very Australian because
Toblerone.
Just like a Dairy Milk Caramel.
Toblerone is Swedish, for sure.
Yeah, no, but it's a very Aussie thing to eat.
Boys,
Oh.
it's cotton picnicker.
A picnicker.
Picnicker. Picnic.
Oh, picnic.
Picnic.
Cotton picnic.
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 Hard working chocolate, brother. Picnic's trash.
Picnic is
You just
trash.
can't have it, brother. It's not trash.
Trash, brother.
Brother, you're allergic? You don't count? And Josh, you don't count? You like any chocolate?
Exterminate.
You just like KFC, brother. And McDonald's.
I don't really do chocolate. You allergic to nut slam?
I am indeed, Joshua.
Then why are you always gobbling on Brox all the time?
Oh my god! No! Liam! No!
On the stream.
You've been fucking killed! Oh no!
What do I do?
Oh
I myself.
shit!
What
Just
do I do?
leave, brother. Get out of here.
Said wasn't gonna go.
Oh
Wasn't woken up.
no!
Wasn't woken
Josh
up.
has
boys.
done something funny. And you're the victim, my son.
Oh, what do I
Happy
do?
birthday, Brocky.
Mine,
Josh with
mine,
the
mine.
chat.
Ah.